What's up, guys? Back with another GhostFlash. What's up, GhostFlash family? You gonna say anything?
Oh, hold on, I was thinking about something. I was kind of like zoned out thinking. I would do this boat differently than the last one.
We're back with another video. I hate Whitley.
Same fucking shit, same video, same bullshit. I'm here. He knows too.
Nobody knows.
But he over here looking all surprised and shit like this is his first rodeo.
Anyways, what are we doing today, Robert?
Well,
what
I'm trying to think, cause like,
Oh.
I don't think I made a video saying that I even got 4 boats. Okay, anyways, we're back. We had 4 boats.
We're back?
We acquired 4 boats, but now we're down to 3. We traded one of them for. Apart from the Tacoma, now we have 3 boats.
This one's got get out of the shot.
We have one kayak. It's a 10-foot kayak that is registered with a motor mount. We have 2 John boats. We have the one that I'm currently sitting in. This is 12 foot. We have another one in the backyard that is currently 14 feet that we got from Jacob.
That one's gonna be mine.
On this one, we're about to install a trailer winch on the trailer and a trailer jack. And then also fix the tail lights and the turn signals on the trailer.
Look at that rat nest.
So install a couple parts and fix some lights because the lights don't work on it. So that's what's going on in today's video, ladies and gents. This guy's magnificent when it comes to wiring. Who did this, bro? Bravo.
Probably you.
Bro. Don't ever disrespect me. I'm gonna stop.
I mean,
I'm gonna stop you. I'm gonna stop you right there.
If the viewers would come and direct their attention this way, it kind of looks like that.
Oh yeah? Yeah? Who do you go to for all your wiring, Whitley?
We don't know what you're talking about.
Who do you go to for all your wiring, Whitley?
Okay, look. You know why I said that's you? Because look at what you got going on right now.
This is testing.
Look at what you got going on right now.
Let's troubleshoot.
Safety?
Y'all gonna argue or do some like work or something?
Are you gonna shut the fuck up and stop being so fucking negative?
No.
Over here,
This right here won't even make it.
Yeah, well. The people love me. I never get cut out because I'm the fucking main event.
Yeah. Shut up. Keep thinking that.
I'm going to think it.
You left me for somebody else.
Oh, bull fucking shit.
You left me for the dark side.
You are the dark side.
That's racist.
I never said anything
Ladies
about
and
race.
gentlemen, you heard it there. You heard it yourself.
Edit that out. What's in the box?
Hey, you.
Ah, right in the bone.
Like that? I'm sorry. I apologize.
You're running out of soft spots to hit. You gotta start hitting me.
Alright, bro. I hope this came with instructions. Ooh.
What the fuck was that?
Don't worry about it. I had a mind. I can't even see you. Hey. What? Why does he do that? I suppose he did that? Put it on backwards. Matt!
Shut your bitch ass up. You and they're doing nothing. I don't want to hear shit from you. Listen.
Matt!
It's been a while.
Matt, bro.
Don't
eat him
all the time. Don't show
He put it on backwards. That shit look funky.
I had it the right way, and then you came in there with your wheel, fucking throwing that shit off the workbench. Got me all backwards.
Done.
Look at your jack.
Yikes. Hey, watch your little.
You're funny if that shit wasn't on.
Sure looks. This is way smoother than my last one, bro. Dude, that's nice. Cool, eBay quality. I love eBay. Bag. Another bag.
Damn. Oh, this handle's pre-assembled, so I can't put it on backwards. Well, actually, I guess I still could.
Yeah, we should just have the bolt on.
Let's see if it lines up. It doesn't line up with the top hole. Why am I struggling so hard to get this shit done?
I already got slack.
You get bigger lips, son.
Oh yeah.
She's not going nowhere.
So I'm gonna give you guys a quick walk around of what we've done so far. So these were the old taillights that were on the trailer, which obviously you can see are junked. Completely broken and everything. They didn't even work. So I went to Walmart, bought brand new ones. We got the 2 new taillights on the back, freshly installed, freshly wired up, both sides. Got the wires ran on the side of the trailer. They're all mounted with these nice little like clip looking things. Let me see, where is it? These little clip looking things right there. Yeah, and then we also got these because I had one busted one on this side and I was missing one on that side. So we got 2 side markers. Went ahead and grounded them to the trailer right here. As you can see, they're grounded and then they are tapped into the running lights of the tail lights, not into the blinker portion. You want to tap them into the running lights. That way these are on when the tail lights are on. You don't want to connect them or wire them to the blinkers because obviously those will only illuminate when the blinkers are illuminated. So then the wires all ran through the trailer like so on both sides. I'm gonna go ahead and zip tie them right here at the little T and then kind of like clip them all nice on the trailer so they look nice. They ran up to here. Previous owner didn't have a trailer went ahead and installed this last night, as you guys saw. Went ahead and installed the trailer jack as well. Already had one of these, but it was loose. It was wobbling all over the place, so I went ahead and tightened that. It was missing 2 bolts on these little things to adjust, like little butterfly hinges, whatever you want to call them, for the boat. It was missing bolts right there, so I went ahead and added 2 new ones. As you can see, right there, there. The rear ones were already set, and a lot of the other bolts on the trailer were loose. All of this was loose. So whoever had this trailer before obviously did not care because the wiring didn't work. As you can see, the wires, how the wires were. Sorry about the leaf, but as you can see, they're not connected. So I gotta go ahead and wire all this all together. Then I gotta figure out how to get the trailer between these 2 cars to plug it into my truck to see how it works or if it works. Also, we painted the bottom of the boat black, and the copper portion of it, as you guys can see, that's gonna get painted next week in a fancy color, so stay tuned for that. That's gonna be nice. So yeah, it's going to get finished, get this wiring done. After the wiring is done, the trailer is pretty much all set and ready to go for the boat because everything else is done and fixed on it, and what was missing is now added. So after I get these wires connected and get it grounded, hopefully plug it up to my truck, and hopefully it works. So I was just finishing up editing this video and I realized that I didn't film an outro. But long story short, the trailer did work, hooked it up to my truck. Trailer did work, all the lights worked. It was a success in the end. So if you guys liked today's video, once again, like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more drama content.